Imagine an automobile that you drive for years, 200,000 miles, or perhaps a million miles, and it never stops. It sounds unreal, doesn't it? However, certain automobiles have actually accomplished this. In today's video, we discuss the 13 vehicles that just never break down. These cars aren't merely long-lasting. They've been put to the test by generations of drivers, professionals, and actual owners. These vehicles, which range from tough SUVs to family sedans, are renowned for reaching amazing mileage benchmarks. You could be surprised by these legends, so stay put. Number 13. The Honda Odyssey. Let's begin with the Honda Odyssey, a family favorite. Families have been using it since 1994, and it's easy to understand why. With a strong reliability rating of 81 out of 100 from J.D. Power, the 2022 model is a prime example. Many owners have reached 300,000 miles or more, demonstrating how long-lasting it is. The Odyssey is renowned for having a high resale value and cheap maintenance costs. It boasts excellent safety features, lots of room, and a pleasant ride. Indeed, it was named the top safety choice by the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety. The models from 2017 to 2021 are thought to be the most dependable. For anyone searching for a second-hand Odyssey, these are the greatest options. Do you need a family-friendly, long-lasting car? One winner is the Honda Odyssey. Number 12. The Legacy Subaru. This is an underappreciated option. The Legacy Subaru. It is dependable, enjoyable to drive, and ideal for all types of weather thanks to its all-wheel drive system. The handling and fuel efficiency of fourth-generation cars, such as the 2004 Legacy, are commended. Additionally, these vehicles include a potent 3.0-liter flat-six engine. It produces 215 pound-feet of torque and 245 horsepower. The Legacy is a great choice because of its sturdy structure and enjoyable driving style. Additionally, the 2016 and 2017 models have high customer satisfaction and dependability ratings. All things considered, the Subaru Legacy is a reliable, reasonably priced choice with a variety of good years. Number 11. Mazda Miata. The Mazda Miata is an excellent choice for individuals seeking a dependable and enjoyable sports vehicle. It has established a solid reputation for dependability since its launch in 1989. The Miata is renowned for its durable performance, low maintenance requirements, and straightforward design. Particularly notable for its sturdy construction is the NC generation. It's still one of the most reliable sports cars available, even though it might occasionally require repairs like an exhaust system or radiator. RepairPal gave it an above-average dependability rating of 4 out of 5. It is reasonably priced to buy, with a yearly repair cost of only $429. Many owners claim that their Miatas continue to function flawlessly after 200,000 kilometers. The parts are readily available and maintenance is not too difficult. The Miata will be a reliable sports vehicle for many years to come if you're searching for one. Number 10. The Mazda 6. The Mazda 6 is an unstoppable sedan. With a 2.5-liter engine that can get up to 35 miles per gallon on the highway, it is renowned for its engineering and long-term endurance. You don't have to give up performance for dependability because the turbocharged variant can produce up to 250 horsepower. The automobile shifts more smoothly and lasts longer thanks to a 6-speed automatic transmission. It helps lessen the load on the engine by getting up to 26 miles per gallon in the city and 35 miles per gallon on the highway. The car's front and rear suspension systems provide good handling. Tire and suspension protection is aided by the G-Vectoring Control Plus technology. The automobile is stronger and safer thanks to the high-strength steel structure. Mazda's safety systems, such as lane departure warning and blind spot monitoring, also contribute to its longevity and safety. The Mazda 6 is a wise long-term investment because it can run up to 600,000 miles with proper maintenance. Number 9. The Chevrolet Suburban. The Chevrolet Suburban, a sizable SUV with space for the entire family and more, comes next. 3 engine options: a 3.0-liter turbo diesel, a 5.3-liter V8, and a 6.2-liter V8 provide the Suburban's powerful performance. Additionally, there is ample cargo space, up to 144.7 cubic feet when the seats are folded. With up to 27 miles per gallon on the interstate, diesel is the most fuel-efficient alternative. Try to select the final model year in a generation for the most dependable Suburban. Despite having a predicted reliability score of 78 out of 100 with J.D. Power, the 2024 model performs well. Number 8. The Ford F-150. A list of dependable cars wouldn't be complete without the Ford F-150. This American classic is robust, versatile, and long-lasting. The EcoBoost V6, which increases power and fuel efficiency, was introduced for the 2011 and 2012 models. The 13th generation, which includes the 2018 and 2019 versions, has aluminum body panels that lessen weight and stop rust. Strong engines, such as the 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6, are also available for these trucks. J.D. Power regularly gives the F-150 a high durability rating because of its reputation for durability. The F-150 is a reliable and long-lasting option if you require a vehicle that can withstand severe work. Number 7. The Toyota Camry. The finest of the best is about to begin. One of the most dependable cars available is the Toyota Camry, which comes next. The Camry is long-lasting and straightforward. It comes with a 3.5-liter V6 with 301 horsepower or a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine with 203 horsepower. These engines are made to be durable and efficient. The Camry's smooth 8-speed automatic transmission and front-wheel drive system provide a dependable ride. With up to 28 miles per gallon in the city and 39 miles per gallon on the highway, the vehicle's fuel efficiency is remarkable. To keep you safe, the Toyota Safety Sense system also has features such as pre-collision system and lane departure alert. The Camry's long-term dependability and cheap maintenance expenses are what set it apart. It may easily survive more than 600,000 miles with the right maintenance. Number 6. The E-Class W124 Mercedes. The Mercedes-Benz E-Class W124 is renowned for its legendary dependability. This durable car was produced from 1984 until 1995. Mercedes over-engineered it, making it one of the toughest vehicles ever produced. Many W124 vehicles may travel over 500,000 kilometers with only standard maintenance. All versions are designed to withstand years of service, but the diesel engines are particularly robust. The W124 has gained a reputation for durability due to its nearly unbreakable nature. The W124 is a fantastic option if you're looking for a dependable, reasonably priced vehicle. Number 5. The Toyota 4Runner is renowned for its dependability. It is sturdy and prepared for exploration. Many owners have reported that their 4Runners had minimal problems after more than 300,000 kilometers. The 4Runner is robust due to its body-on-frame construction. It can easily withstand severe weather and uneven roads. The 4Runner is a great choice for off-road enthusiasts. It is powered by the Toyota 22RRE engine, which is among the most dependable engines ever produced. It's spacious and cozy inside. Passengers and equipment have plenty of room. It can operate well both off-road and in cities because to the V6 engine. Over time, the 4Runner also retains its value. The Toyota 4Runner is an excellent option if you need an SUV that is durable and capable of handling any situation. Remember to subscribe for more trustworthy automotive insights. Number 4. The Honda Accord. There's another Honda on the list, but there's a reason it's a classic. With a powerful engine and durable components, the Honda Accord is renowned for its dependability. Despite its huge mileage, the car never stops. Many owners of Accords claim that their vehicles have far over 300,000 miles on them. The Accord is distinguished by its elegant appearance, effective functionality, and spacious cabin. It has ample room to accommodate both passengers and goods. The vehicle is a cost-effective choice for daily travel because of its excellent fuel efficiency. The Accord's dependable engine and well-made parts guarantee that it will last for many years with few problems. The Accord offers a reliable and comfortable ride, whether you're traveling short or long distances. The Honda Accord is a great option if you're searching for a vehicle that will last you a long time. Number 3. The Toyota Land Cruiser. The Toyota Land Cruiser is a worldwide symbol designed for both on-road and off-road activities. Designed for off-road excursions, it can endure hundreds of thousands of miles. And with the right maintenance, it can occasionally approach 1 million. With more than 10 million sales globally, this SUV is well known for its toughness. Despite its high cost, the Land Cruiser's quality justifies the purchase. When compared to other high-end SUVs like the Cadillac Escalade and Lexus LX, the annual maintenance expenditures of approximately $800 are fair. With an 83 out of 100 reliability rating, the Land Cruiser is a reliable option for anyone who requires a powerful car. It is a favorite because of its luxurious features, smooth ride, and sturdy construction. The Land Cruiser performs well whether you're driving on the freeway or off-road. It's difficult to find a more durable and capable SUV than the Land Cruiser. Number 2. The Toyota Sequoia is a great option for families searching for a durable SUV. The Sequoia has developed a solid reputation since its 2000 release, particularly in models from 2009 and beyond. These later models are perfect for years of use because they have less issues and a smoother ride. At 83.55 out of 100, the Sequoia has an excellent dependability score. Along with the Yaris and Prius, it is among Toyota's most reliable SUVs. The average annual maintenance cost for an SUV of this size is roughly $642. Only 15% of problems are serious, and repairs are uncommon. Families can find plenty of space at the Sequoia. With a lifespan of hundreds of thousands of miles, it is renowned for its durability. The Toyota Sequoia is a good option if you're looking for a durable, family-friendly SUV. Number 1. The Lexus LS400. And the Lexus LS400 is at the top. Matt Farah, an auto journalist, even drove his LS400 a million miles. With an engine that can run smoothly for decades, this luxury vehicle was made to last. The LS400, which debuted in 1989, revolutionized the luxury car market by providing dependability at a level uncommon in high-end automobiles. It has a strong, long-lasting V8 engine under the hood. The LS400 is popular among people seeking luxury and dependability because of its smooth ride and quiet, comfortable cabin. Compared to other luxury vehicles, maintenance is easy and inexpensive. Even with considerable mileage, owners frequently experience minimal problems. The Lexus LS400 is one of the greatest options available for people looking for a high-end sedan that won't disappoint. That concludes our list of 13 vehicles that just never break down. Remember to subscribe for more trustworthy automotive insights.